Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of bullet journaling with a review of the highly anticipated Bullet Journal Edition 2 Green 23, which is a collaboration between Bullet Journal and Leuchtturm 1917. Remember to stay until the end of the video, as we are giving away a bullet journal of your choice from Leuchtturm 1917 Canada. If you are interested, you can use my discount code POSITIVE20 at www.leuchtturm1917.ca, the Canadian site, and get 20% off your whole purchase. In preparation for this unboxing video and the excitement of getting this bullet journal, I even ordered myself some nail wraps in a similar green color, and I'm so happy that they match perfectly. This is from Nails Mailed, which I am also affiliated with. You can use my discount code POSITIVE10 for 10% off at their shop as well. First things first, let's talk about the overall look and feel of this bullet journal, the Edition 2. Green 23 features a stunning green cover with a minimalistic design, staying true to Leuchtturm 1917's elegant aesthetic. I love the embossing of bullet journal on the front and the lightning bolt symbol on the spine. When you first open up the notebook, it starts with a grid spacing guide on the left and a Venn diagram that introduces you to or reminds you of the bullet journal method and the purpose-powered productivity. The goal of the bullet journal is to develop a system and practice that help you live a more intentional life by keeping your actions aligned with your beliefs. The grid spacing is super helpful, as it shows both the vertical and horizontal spacing that allows you to plan more efficiently. Now, let's delve into some key features that make the Green 23 stand out. The first two pages are the Key and Intentions page. There are already some pre-printed guidelines for the Key page, but you can always add in your own markings or color preferences. The book comes in A5 size with 120 GSM cream-colored paper. The numbered pages make it easy to organize your thoughts and find specific entries in a flash. Plus, the pre-printed index is a game changer for keeping track of your collections and spreads. The notebook also has 4 pages dedicated to a future log, allowing 3 months or a quarter per page. This particular notebook also has 3 page markers in different colors. Other notebooks normally only have 2 page markers, so I am excited to use a third one to help me keep track of certain spreads. The dotted pages are perfect for those who love the flexibility of a blank canvas, but still appreciate some guidance for creating neat layouts. The dots are light enough to ensure they are not distracting. What I am most excited about is the tiny small dots at the bottom of the page that help guide you again with the spacing. A final little dot under the page number helps you mark off if you have completely finished with that particular page. The stickers that come with this notebook are both practical and beautiful for labeling and archiving. The stunning copper color monthly titles, dot stickers, and lightning bolts will create a pop on your page. I think the numbers will also be very handy, as I don't enjoy writing out the days of the month that much. Last but not least, the notebook comes with a small summary book of the bullet journal method. For those who haven't yet read the book, this is a great introduction. For those who have read the book, this will be a great refresher. I am excited to read this summary book prior to setting up my 2024 bullet journal, which, by the way, will be coming at the end of this month. I'm very excited to share with you my 2024 bullet journal setup. Remember to turn on your notifications so you do not miss it. And there you have it, My thoughts on the Leuchtturm 1917 Bullet Journal Edition 2 Green 23. Overall, I'm impressed with the attention to detail and the thoughtfulness that went into designing this journal. If you're serious about your bullet journaling journey, this edition is definitely worth considering. Let me know in the comments if you've tried the Green 23 or if you have any other favorite bullet journals. Also, don't forget to join the giveaway by leaving a comment and 3 green hearts. Good luck, everyone. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please consider subscribing, commenting, and liking this video to help support my channel. Thank you, and feel free to check out any of these other videos.